If you're a machine vision engineer, stay tuned. I'm joined today by InterVision Technologies CEO Mark Worlidge to talk about their business, vision for the future, and why you might want to consider joining them on their journey. I hope you enjoy. So we're joined today by Mark Worlidge, and he's founder and CEO of InterVision Technologies. Thanks for joining us today, Mark. I really appreciate it.
Thank you, John.
So look, I'm going to jump straight into things because I think our audience are going to be keen to understand. First things first, who is InterVision Technologies?
Thank you, John. InterVision Technologies is the R&D and project systems design, specification, build and test division of InterVision Global Group. We are a group of companies. We have an e-commerce division, we have a label inspection division, we have subsidiaries across the world, but our UK operation is InterVision Technologies. And we cover all aspects of the technical sales cycle whilst adopting current and emerging technologies to provide our end user and automation machine building customers with high performance solutions. And we do all of the development and all of the build and test here in the UK. We're not limited, let me just jump in, John, so we're not limited at all in the technologies. We're not limited just to machine vision solutions. We adopt and integrate solutions into the production process and have supply systems embedded and integrated with collaborative robots such as UR and Doosan, six-axis robots such as Epson, laser marking systems such as Trumpf and Rofin Basel. So it's as broad and as wide as we want it to be, but our core expertise is built around machine vision technologies.
Excellent, excellent. So, okay, obviously what we're looking for here is a machine vision engineer. So why would someone who considers themselves unavailable be interested in joining the InterVision team?
Simply because we are, well, I like to think that we're slightly different to some of the other companies within the market. We're embracing new technologies and developing cutting edge solutions, trying to drive things forward with Azure hosted performance metrics and real-time reporting using vision as an enabler, thereby taking vision beyond just the quality inspection of products at high speed. We're a small reactive team that is ambitious and keen to adopt innovative product solutions. Importantly, we are independent of any machine vision brand. We develop proprietary solutions and have first-hand experience of 2D vision, as you'd expect, as well as 3D profiling sensing with point cloud analysis, for example. Typically, we work on high-speed or high-precision applications in food and beverage, pharmaceutical, medical device, and obviously fully meet regulatory requirements, if I can get my words out. Also, more recently, in developing our unrivaled product that is Percept PTXL, label inspection solution, we are at the forefront of developing web-based inspection technologies with the potential to utilize AI and machine learning.
Very good, very interesting. So really, what we're talking about here is, this is not your bog standard sort of machine vision role where you're doing the same thing every day. The applications are novel and there's significant opportunity to do different things within the confines of machine vision.
Yeah,
really.
Absolutely, John. Developing bespoke, it's important to understand we're not just focused on developing bespoke one-off machine vision solutions, because that's a really hard fight to fight, because especially with technologies emerging and developing so rapidly as they are at the moment. But embedded within that, in conjunction with that, we're trying to develop replicating sales built on a product solution. So we're trying to push the envelope a bit further than just doing one-off design and build of bespoke vision solutions. So we're looking at, as I say, using vision to enable other opportunities for revenue, such as big data is obviously very, very important in the current world. So if we could take typically our vision systems at the dry end of the operation quite often at the back end, so we get to see full visibility on the product throughput. So if we were able to analyze, take the data from our vision inspection system at high speed and take that data and report and run metrics against shifts, against products, against site, against machines, then we can actually provide added value to our vision solutions, which not only brings revenue for us, but also is enhancing for the customer as well, and helping them with their production processes, and taking us forward as a company in terms of our solutions into current technologies, into the drive for Industry 4.0, IoT, etc. So yeah, it's more embracing than the typical.
So okay. When it boils down to it, we need to sort of put a message out there, I guess, to prospective employees. Okay, so assuming our audience are all top people, which I'm sure they are, and they were considering joining InterVision, what would be in it for them?
Oh, that's a good question. A chance to be, as I say, we're a small reactive team, very autonomous. Okay, we don't micromanage anyone. So a chance to be the key go-to individual within our ambitious team, driving the product solutions and the development path that we follow as a company. A chance for them to develop a significant standing within not only our customers, our team, the industry, and our suppliers, and become a well-respected thought leader as technologies and solutions develop. Absolutely, it's a key player within our organisation who will be given autonomy to not only develop and enhance their own personal development, but also drive our product roadmap as well.
So key person and influencer, not only in the business, but in the industry as a whole.
Ideally, absolutely.
So there you have it. If you're curious to know more, you can message me via LinkedIn or apply via the link in the chat. I'm John Salt. Thanks for watching.